Hello, I'm Clive Enever, business strategist, and I help people discover clarity to more easily engage with more of their ideal client more often. Something I see people struggling with from time to time is aligning their personal vision with their business strategy. Now, on the face of it, this seems like a really easy thing to overcome. Do what you like to do. However, it gets more complex because sometimes people have gone into business because they can see an opportunity to make some money. And having done that, they then discover that they are stressed, sometimes to the point of illness. Why is a person stressed? Because of the business that they're in. Well, generally, it's been my experience that people who are stressed in their business are stressed because of a conflict within the alignment of the business and their personal values, their personal vision. There are three things upon which you can build a business and build it successfully. That's your mission, your vision, and your values. When you understand your mission, it makes it really easy to go about your business. When you understand your vision, that gives you something to strive for. It's something that you want as an outcome. That makes it really easy to go about your business. In fact, it can motivate you to go above and beyond. And in going above and beyond, you tend to get more. You tend to have more people keen on what you do. They are attracted to your ambition, to your values, to your mission, to your vision. Because of that, they want to work with you. And then there's your values. Now, if you're undertaking a business which conflicts with your values, then it's not going to work real well. It's going to cause enormous stress. Why? Because your values are what drive you to do whatever it is that you do. For argument's sake, if you're keen on being ecologically sustainable in everything that you do and your business conflicts with that, there's every chance that you're not going to be a happy person. In aligning your personal view with your business view, your business vision, your business strategy, it's important to look really closely at what it is that you do. Make a list. Start with a list of you. What is it that you want to achieve? Then make a list of what your business is about. Having made those lists, expand upon them. As you expand upon them, there's every chance that you'll find that your business can do far more than what you thought originally. Having made this expanded version of the list that you made in the first place, is there any conflict between the two? Now, if there's conflict between the two, rest assured that you're going to find yourself in conflict internally. Because you're in conflict internally, you'll enjoy a good deal of stress. Stress doesn't help. If you can find conflict between what you want as a person and what your business is doing, then look to which one needs to change. Chances are it's what your business is doing. How can you change your business to be more aligned with what it is that you want to achieve personally? You'll find that by putting these things together, understanding how to eliminate the conflict will allow you to do more, to create more, to deliver a better outcome, to satisfy your values, your personal vision, your interest in having whatever world it is that you're interested in having. It makes for a much better life, much more comfortable, much happier clients, and most of all, a much happier you.